Baked Banana Oat Cups. Serving 6. Prep time 30 minutes. Healthy baked muffins with banana and oats, perfect for breakfast or snack. 1 cup of rolled oats. 2 ripe bananas mashed, about 1 cup. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, optional. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for greasing the tin. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 6-cup muffin tin with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. In a blender, combine 1 cup of rolled oats and blend until a coarse flour forms, about 30 seconds. In a medium bowl, mash 2 ripe bananas with a fork until smooth, about 1 minute. Add 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar if using. Whisk to combine for about 30 seconds. Pour the mashed banana mixture into the oat flour bowl and stir until a thick batter forms, about 45 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Fold gently for about 20 seconds. Spoon the batter evenly into the greased muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Optionally, place a thin banana slice on each cup or sprinkle a little coconut sugar on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes, until the tops are golden and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Remove the tin and let the banana oat cups rest in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool for 10 minutes. Serve warm or at room temperature. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This is the final step. Enjoy your baked banana oat cups and share the recipe. Now we will finish. Thank you and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this baked banana oat cups recipe, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more healthy recipes.